Everyone is screaming gold is bullish right now, but I can promise you 90% of traders are still losing money in this market. Why? They're losing money because they don't have a plan for a market situation like this. The fact that the market is bullish is not a free ride in the trading space. With trading, you need to be able to have a good structure, you need to be precise, and you need to have the right timing. Without these three components together, you're not going anywhere. Whether the market is bullish or the market is strongly bearish, you're not going to make any significant money from the market. Remember, you have to have structure, you need to have precise, and you need to have the right timing. Stay with me. In this video, I'm going to give you a 15 minutes time frame strategy for gold, where price literally prints good structures and good patterns on the 15 minutes time frame between 7 a.m. and 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. London, New York session. So between these two time frames, you can capitalize on the structures in the market. This is what the top traders are currently using right now. I'm going to give it to you at a platter. So come with me, let's get cracking. So we have gold right now. You can see at the moment that gold is very bullish. This is gold, very bullish, creating new weekly highs week in, week out. So with that being said, on the daily, the market is still bullish. On 4-hour time frame, market is still bullish. It's a characteristic of a bullish trend. You can see price higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a new higher low. So this is what makes up a bullish trend. So we're anticipating a new higher high right now. So back to the 15 minutes time frame strategy that you should be capitalizing on. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just cut this place, cut gold on a random. So let's do a quick bar replay. Let's do random. Let's see where did it take us to. No, it's taking us to 2015. We just need it within, we just need it within 2025. So I'm going to take this off and just find this bar replay, start new. Let's say September 2025. This is a 4-hour time frame. Now in this video, we're going to do just 5 backtesting sessions. So I'm going to show you how price really unveils itself within 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. New York session. So you can capitalize off this current bullish market. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So first off, we've been able to understand that this is a bullish market. Price creating higher highs, higher low. This is a failed higher high, but new higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high. We're anticipating a new higher low to be able to get to a new higher high. So that basically informs us that on the 4-hour time frame, which is a bigger time frame, we are within this range buying higher high here. We don't have a new higher low here, but we don't have a new higher high, so we just draw this and just keep this here for now. So if we go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that it is still very bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high. So this is bullish too. So we use this bullish between here. The new higher high is not ready yet, because for us to have a new higher high, we need to have a higher low to be able to create a new higher high. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we're also bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high. So what we're going to be doing now is just going to be taking trades between those time frames, 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. New York session. So let's find trading opportunity. So this is the 4-hour higher high, 4-hour higher low, and this is the 1-hour higher low. So let's wait for the 15 minutes to give us something to work with. So at the moment, this is 2 p.m. So let's wait till the next day for new trading opportunity. This is 5 a.m. in the morning. So 5 a.m. in the morning, we go to the line charts, we go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see what price is doing on the 1 hour to help us define what we'll be looking for on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 4-hour charts, we are still very much bullish. Still very much bullish on the 4-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart now, we have changed structural bearish. So price was higher high from here, higher low here to a higher high here. But now the structure has changed because we have a candle close below here. So let's see what the next candle has to offer. So we'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, we are bullish between here and here, or between here and here, or price has changed structure on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's see if we get a buy today or a sell today. So remember, we are still bullish on the 4-hour time frame. We have changed structure bearish on the 1-hour time frame, and 15 minutes time frame also change structure bearish. So let's see what kind of opportunity we have in front of us today. So this is 7 o'clock. So between 7 to 1 is when we'll be looking for opportunities. So let's see. So I'm going to be looking to sell this market around here. So let's see if price gives us a 1 to 2 on this particular trade. So we had a break even on this trade. So that's one trade. Let's wait for the next day. So this price was bullish on this particular day. So we go back to the 4-hour time frame. Wants us to are very much bullish in this market. So on the 4-hour time frame now, we have a new higher low here and a potential higher high above here. So on the 1-hour time frame, we also have a new higher low here, same here, and a potential higher high above. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame now, and let's see how we can work our way to find a trading opportunity for the next day. So at the moment, we are working our way to the next day. So what time is this? This is 4 o'clock in the morning. So let's see if we can get a buying opportunity. This is 7 in the morning. So now let's see if we can get a buying opportunity around here. So I see a level of interest around here. So we have multiple rejections around this area. So let's see if price gives us a new higher high. So this trade took its time, but we've been able to, it never stopped us out. So we've been able to get a 1 to 1.6. Let's see if we get a 2R. Okay, we only got a 1. We only got a 1 to 1.67 on this trade. 1.7 on this trade. So that's a TP. So we're gonna wait for the next day. So one break even, one TP. So let's wait for the next day now. I think we're already on the next day. So on the next day, let's see on the 4-hour time frame, where are we? So you always need to check where you are in the market. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are still very much bullish. So this is a higher low. We have a new high here. So if we go to the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We have a higher low from here, and we are still very much bullish. So let's find bullish patterns on the 15 minutes time frame to execute. So back to the candlestick. Let's see if we get a 15 minutes. So I think around this area, there's a bit of noise around here. So price is rejecting around this particular price level here. So this is 11 o'clock. Let's put a buy there, and let's see if price gives us. So you can see how this is done. This is trade 3 now. 2 more trades to go. So remember, this happened around 11 o'clock. This happened around 8 o'clock. So between 7 to 1 p.m., that's when the trading opportunity presents itself. So we go to the 4-hour time frame now. Let's get to the next day first. So next day, you're done trading for this day. So go to the next day. This is 4 o'clock the next day. So back to the 1 hour to see where we are in the market. You always need to know where you are in the market. So now we know that we're still in the bullish market, higher low, higher high. So go back to the 15 minutes time frame and find buying opportunities. So let's see if we do have a buying opportunity. So by 6 o'clock, nothing. You don't trade before 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock is the time for you to get in. So between 7 to 1 p.m. at night. So you can see 1, 2, 3 rejections here. So I'm interested in buying above here. My stop loss is below here. Let's see if price gives us a good trading opportunity. So see 1 to 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the fifth one. There's no need to do the fifth one because you can see how this is manifesting itself. Like this is unfolding. So let's do the fifth one. So let's wait let's wait for the next day. So one trade a day is what I do. So wait for the next day for another opportunity because there will always be another opportunity. So this is 3 o'clock in the morning. So we go to the 1 hour chart to see where we are in the market. Like I said, you always need to know where you are in the market. So you can see from here, we're bullish from here. This is the higher low, and this is the higher high above here. But now we can see on the 1 hour time frame that price has changed structure. If we check the 4 hour time frame, let's see price has also changed structure on the 4 hour time frame. See higher high, higher low here, higher high above here. So price has closed below here. So at the moment, I'm looking for sales on the 15 minutes time frame, even if we're in the bullish market. So let's see if I get a selling opportunity to go short. So let's see. This is still 11 o'clock. I need to close. So I can see this is not significant, but we can pull this fib tool from here to here. And we can see our price is already on the 61 extension of this fib. So I'm going to just open this properly. I'm going to put my sell stop below here and my stop loss above here. So I'm going to be looking for a 1 to 2 on this trade. So let's see if price does give us a 1 to 2 because this particular candle is not concrete enough. So I'm looking for just one more candle. Not yet. Okay, now we've been waiting. So let's see. We got stopped out on this trade. So in 5 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have total, we had 3 winners, 1 break even, 1 loss. So let's say you're risking $100 per trade, or you're risking $1,000 per trade. So 1,000 times 3. Where's my multiplication sign? Come on. $1,000. 1,000. Give me a second. I'm looking for my multiplication sign. So 1,000 x 3 will equal $3,000. So if you're risking $1,000 per trade for a 1 to 2 hour, so $1,000 times 2 will give you $2,000. Then $2,000 multiplied by 3 will equal $6,000. So that's 6,000, and with 1 break even, so that's the scratch. Then 1 loss, that's minus 1,000. So if you do the maths, 6,000 minus 1,000 will equal $5,000. Will equal $5,000 in how many trading days? Let's go and see. So we started trading from Friday the 28th. So Friday the 28th to September the 4th. So Friday 28th, in between Friday and Saturday, Saturday and Sunday, we have September 1st. So 1st to 4th is 4 days. plus Friday 28th, that's in five trading days. We've been able to take 5 trades, 3 winners, 1 break even, 1 loss. We're able to average about $5,000 if you're risking $1,000 per trade. That's it. That's the 15-minute strategy. All you need to do is, first of all, let me highlight that. First of all, you go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So in between all of this, you use your line charts to determine where you are in the markets. And when you use your line chart to determine where you are in the market, the way I used the arrow object to, like the arrow tool. Let me give this space. So use your arrow tool to mark up your higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. Then go to the 15 minutes time frame to look for patterns to either buy or sell. That's all. Go to the higher time frame first. You walk your way from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Then use your line chart to determine where you are in the market to get clarity. Then use your arrow tool to mark up the higher highs and the higher low, or the lower highs and the lower low. Then the 15 minutes time frame to look for patterns to buy or sell. So if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to the channel, because you subscribing gives us the drive to keep going, to keep sharing informations like this, keep helping the community. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.